Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about convexity, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
So when you're choosing that 1 to 9 to 1 to 18 risk to reward, and that's simply done by choosing a 5 to 10% of the debit of the width of the fly, inside there's going to maybe be, I don't know, anywhere from 3 to 10 strikes that you could choose between. And a few of those strikes are going to show remarkably fast change in the price of that debit. So in other words, you're going to go from paying $2 to $1 just by going 1 or 2 more strikes out. That's a 50% reduction in price without materially affecting your trade. And it also means that you could potentially go out a little further and also widen your trade, giving you even more potential. So you could find a place where you could trade and find the same price for a much larger potential trade. That would be great if you could do that every time. That means that every time you're just going after a bigger pot of gold. So that's what we're looking for. And as a general rule, wider is better. And the convexity that we're always looking for is somewhere within that 5 to 10% of the width of the fly. Again, lands around 9 to 18 risk to reward. What we're really looking for is the shape of that payoff curve. And that's what changes by following these rules. So now we're going to get into some of the hard facts about what we're trying to do. When we're putting these trades on, we fully understand expected move, and I know that a lot of you will play expected move and try to stay within it thinking that's going to give you what you need. That's because you're solving for win rate. We're not. We're solving for the big payoff. I can still make money inside your expected move, but that's not our big payoff. That's the thing that keeps us in the game for the big payoff, which you as a high win rate strategist will never achieve. You will never get the big payoff if you're going for high win rate. But if you're always searching for high win rate, you'll be getting the high win rate, plus you'll be getting the small returns as well. So what's better? Always just getting small returns and huge risk, or getting the small returns and the big wins with small risk? That's the difference. That's really the ultimate difference. And this chart here is showing the expected move and what the actual movement of the market is over time. This is looking at about 3 years, and you can see this blue dashed line is the expected move every day, and you can see a good portion of the time we're sitting inside of that expected move, but a lot of the time we exceed it by quite a bit. And sometimes we exceed it by as much as 1.5 sigma, or 1 sigma would be at the expected move, but often we go to 1.25, 1.5, even 2 sigma, 2 standard deviations. And those are the times that you will never get because you're a high win rate strategist, and we are positioning ourselves to get as a convexity hunter. So that is what we're looking for. We're looking for getting into those trades at super cheap prices. And when they come, we collect them. And that's the difference. That's a huge difference because we take less risk because of it, and we get a better return.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable Zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.